how to declutter your garage. Step number 1, put music on. I don't know about you, but music always gets me into the mood of cleaning or decluttering. Step number 2, gather boxes or bins and label them. I am using just regular white paper, and I've labeled a giving box, a selling bin, and a donating bin. I highly recommend you do this because this will help you stay organized while decluttering. Step number 3, go through everything. This is a time where you can just go through all your things, and I do want to say, if you feel overwhelmed after, I don't know, let's say you're decluttering 30 minutes, you're 30 minutes in and you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to stop. It's okay to put everything away and continue on the next day, because keep in mind that you are letting go of a lot of things all at once and you're making decisions within minutes as you're doing this. So it's okay to stop. Step number 4, give everything a home. This is very important when you are done decluttering. Giving everything a home in your garage will help you stay clutter-free. It'll help you find everything easier, and it'll just help you know where everything goes when you're done using it. Step number 5, place bins or boxes where you can see them. This way, you know where everything is and you'll have it handy and ready to go when you're ready to donate, sell, or give. Step number 6, sweep and recycle. This will just help you stay motivated the next day as you are done decluttering. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super excited to continue this decluttering series with you. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.